How to remove favorites from Safari on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. As you get there, you can find your Safari favorites on the top. From here, you can remove your favorites by tapping on them. Then, a pop-up will appear and select Delete to remove the favorite. Or, scroll to the bottom to find the Edit option. From here, turn off favorites from the pop-up to hide the entire favorite section on your start page. Now, your favorite icons will be completely removed from your start page. Even so, they will still be accessible from your Bookmarks menu. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily remove favorites from Safari on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.